How do you doing? This is Mike Lucino, and we are going to make some deviled eggs today. First of all, you're going to have to boil your own egg and turn it into a hard-boiled egg. And you know how to do it to make it peel very easily, is to make sure you put plenty of salt in the water, or you can use a lemon slice in the water. You cool your egg once it is done in very cold water, then it will peel very easily. Let's get started. First we must cut the egg in half. And then you take your egg and just pop it out like that. Okay, now that we have this, we must mash the egg with a fork. And then we add the mustard. And then we add a little ketchup. And if you want, you can add a little bit of ranch dressing. But the most important part is the sour cream. And then you mix it up really good. You can add a salt and pepper or any kind of spice you like, but it's not necessary. Then you take a plastic bag and you scoop everything out into the one in the corner. Once you got everything in the one little corner, make sure that you seal up the bag. Then you're going to use this side to squirt everything out. You make it a little bit off at the edge with the scissors. And then you can go to town having fun. Just like that. So what we have here is perfect deviled eggs in less than 5 minutes after you get out of the boiling process. But you can fix it up even better. If you use a little bit of paprika, you make it look like it is hot, but it is not hot. Or you can use a little cayenne pepper to make it very hot, or a little bit hot, depending on how you like it. You can use chili powder. Yeah, chili powder goes pretty good with eggs. My favorite is this cayenne powder. I don't know why I'm even talking like this, but it's pretty good. So we're gonna use all of them. Little bit of paprika, little bit of chili powder, little bit of cayenne pepper, very little because it's very hot, and some of my favorite, right there. There you go. There you have it. Deviled eggs, and let me tell you, they are really good. I'm going to try one right now. I give it a 2 thumbs up, but to make sure you give it a thumbs up, crush that little like button, and then subscribe if you haven't already done it. Make sure that the little bell is pressed so that you can be notified every time another video comes up your way. Until then, take care, and I'll talk to you later.